Ugh. What time is it? What? It's already time for work? Cool! Woohoo! I'm okay. Your family's so poor, they don't live with you, and you eat shoes. Well, at least I don't look like bloody buggers. What? Hey guys. Hi, Walking Taco. Hey guys, want to go to that one room with all the swings? Yeah, let's go. Woohoo! What? Meanwhile. Hey guys, welcome to my live stream. Today, I'm gonna be watching these guys, and then I'm gonna kill them because they get to have all the fun. A few hours of walking later. Get on the ground! Shut up, I could easily beat you in a fist fight. Let's see if you got what it takes. Oh, it was that easy. When we missed, we were on our phone.